Which of the following statements is correct about the function g of theta equals 10 cosine theta over 2? I want to compare this to A cosine B theta. Okay, I'm not worried about shifting left, right, or up or down, so I'm not worried about adding or subtracting anything outside or inside. This is what I'm dealing with. I also want to rewrite this guy to kind of make it match up like that. So 10 cosine B, which is going to be 1/2 theta. Now it's asking me a couple questions, some of which is going to be amplitude, period, stuff like that. Let's find out everything we need to find out, okay? We'll find out what we need to find out. We'll graph it. We'll see what happens. We'll go from there. All right, so I'm building my graph. All right, there's my graph. My amplitude is 10. That 1/2 that lives in front of theta is going to be equal to 2 pi over whatever my period is. Okay, so if I kind of like look at this and cross multiply and say, all right, well, one period is going to equal 4 pi. So now I have enough information to say, all right, it's a regular cosine. I'm going to draw out a regular cosine. We're not moving left or right. So cosine starts up here, bottoms out down there, repeats up there. Okay. We know that since the amplitude is 10, we can say that you're 10. We can say that you're negative 10. Since it starts up here, it ends at 4 pi because that's my period, which means halfway through where it bottoms out is going to be 2 pi, where it crosses the x-axis is going to be regular pi, and where it crosses the axis again is going to be 3 pi. All right, it also is talking about midlines and stuff like that, and maximum values. Well, the maximum value is 10. The minimum value is negative 10, which makes the midline halfway in between those, which is y equals 0. So I have an amplitude of 10, a period of 4 pi, a maximum of 10, a midline of nothing, and a minimum of negative 10. Which of these is true? The amplitude is 5. Nope. The period is 2 pi. Nope. The maximum value is 10. Yup. The minimum value is negative 10. Yup. The midline is 10. Nope. The period is 2 pi. Nope. The amplitude is 20. Ooh, close, but nope. And the period is 4 pi. That's correct. And the whole thing ain't. So the answer is going to be B, baby.